Introduction to chameleon color change. Chameleons are renowned for their ability to change color, a trait that fascinates both scientists and enthusiasts alike. This remarkable ability is not just for show, it serves various practical purposes in their natural behavior and survival. Understanding how chameleons change color and the reasons behind it offers insight into their unique adaptations in ecology. The mechanism of color change. Chameleons change color through specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments and are responsible for producing different colors. There are several types of chromatophores involved in this process. Xanthophores. These cells contain yellow pigments. Iridophores. These cells reflect light and can produce blue and white colors. Melanophores. These cells contain melanin, which can absorb light and produce darker colors. The interplay of these cells, along with the physical structure of the skin, allows chameleons to display a range of colors from vibrant reds to deep browns. The role of the skin structure. In addition to chromatophores, the structural properties of a chameleon's skin also play a role in color change. The skin contains layers of microscopic platelets that can reflect and scatter light. By adjusting these platelets, chameleons can manipulate the amount and type of light reflected, enhancing or altering their coloration. This structural color change works in conjunction with the pigments to produce the full spectrum of colors observed in chameleons. Temperature regulation. One of the primary reasons chameleons change color is to regulate their body temperature. By altering their skin color, chameleons can absorb or reflect sunlight more effectively. Darker colors absorb more heat, which helps warm the chameleon, while lighter colors reflect sunlight, aiding in cooling. This color change helps chameleons maintain an optimal body temperature, which is crucial for their physiological functions. Communication and social interaction. Color change in chameleons is also a form of communication. Chameleons use color to convey their mood, status, or intentions to other chameleons. For instance, a chameleon might display brighter colors to attract a mate or show dominance, while dull or muted colors might indicate submission or stress. This visual signaling plays a key role in social interactions and territory establishment among chameleons. Camouflage and predator evasion. Camouflage is another important reason for color change in chameleons. By altering their coloration to match their surroundings, chameleons can blend into their environment, making it more difficult for predators to spot them. This adaptive camouflage helps them avoid detection and increases their chances of survival in the wild. Adaptation to environmental conditions. Chameleons also change color in response to their environmental conditions. Changes in light, humidity, and other factors can trigger color shifts. For example, a chameleon might darken its color in response to a cooler environment or lighten it in a warmer setting. This adaptability ensures that chameleons can respond effectively to varying environmental conditions. The role of color change in feeding. While less common, color change can also influence feeding behavior. Some chameleons may alter their color to become less conspicuous to prey, making it easier to capture insects and other food sources. This stealthy approach to hunting can enhance their feeding efficiency. Limitations and misconceptions. Despite their impressive abilities, chameleons do not change color instantaneously. The process can take several minutes and is influenced by several factors, including the chameleon's health and environmental conditions. Additionally, the color change is not a form of mood ring-style emotional display but rather a complex physiological response involving multiple factors. Conservation and study. Understanding chameleon color change has implications for conservation and research. Studying these mechanisms provides insights into the evolutionary adaptations of chameleons and their ecological roles. Conservation efforts also benefit from understanding how environmental changes might impact these remarkable reptiles and their ability to adapt. Conclusion: the complexity of chameleon color change. Chameleons' ability to change color is a sophisticated process involving both pigment cells and structural elements of their skin. This ability serves various functions, including temperature regulation, communication, camouflage, and adaptation to environmental changes. By appreciating the complexity of this trait, we gain a deeper understanding of chameleons' biology and their interactions with their environment.